Hi, this is Design Guy. Ready to design an avatar that's totally you using Canva's awesome tools? Click Create, then choose Custom Size. Enter your desired width and height to set any size you need. This lets you tailor your project dimensions precisely before starting. Next, open the Apps menu. Search for Avatar, then select it from the results. Finally, click Enter to proceed and access the avatar application options on your device. Select the avatar generator from the available options on screen. Open the app, then generate a random avatar by clicking the appropriate button. Customize features like eye size, choosing options such as small eyes for a personalized look. Click the icon to change the shape. Choose between a circle, square, or long glasses to customize your selection easily and quickly. Select the nose smile option. Choose the thick style and apply it. Next, select the bun hairstyle. Finally, add a hoodie to complete the look. This customization allows you to personalize your character's appearance with simple choices, enhancing its unique style easily and quickly within the character design tool. Adjust the color by increasing its brightness. Change the hoodie color to black for a sleek look. For the third option, switch the hoodie to red. Set the hair color to yellow to create contrast. Finally, select and apply a background color to complete the design. This sequence enhances the overall appearance, making each element stand out distinctly while maintaining visual harmony in your project. First, select the background color and change it to yellow-green. Next, locate the avatar section. You can customize the avatar by adjusting the available options. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click the button to generate a random avatar. This will create a new design based on your adjustments. Continue refining colors and avatar details until you achieve the desired look. Select a design and customize it by adding glasses or changing the sponsor logo. Adjust the elements until you are satisfied with the overall look. Once your design is complete, add it to the sign by clicking the appropriate option. Review the final layout to ensure all changes are applied correctly. This process allows you to create a personalized sign with your chosen graphics and branding. Finish by saving your work, ready for printing or sharing as needed. This method ensures a professional, customized result every time. To enlarge the image, select it and drag the corner handles outward. Next, you can add other elements to your design. For example, insert a shape such as a spike by choosing it from the Elements menu. Once added, adjust the spike size to make it smaller by dragging its handles inward. To change the color, select the spike and open the color palette. Choose white from the options to apply it. This allows you to customize your design with additional shapes and colors, enhancing the overall visual impact. Repeat these steps to modify other elements as needed. To delete an item, first select it by clicking on it. Then, locate the Delete button on the toolbar or right-click the item and choose Delete from the context menu. Confirm the deletion if prompted. The item will be removed from your list or workspace immediately after confirmation. Click on the avatar icon to open your profile, where you can view and customize your avatar settings. Click Share. Increase the image size for better quality. Then click Download to save the enhanced image to your device quickly and easily. Now you know how to create a unique avatar in Canva-like. And subscribe for more creative tips.